Hey team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the most important current affairs of May 18, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, who has been appointed the new executive director of RBI? So the answer is option D, Jose J. Katur. So Jose J. Katur has been appointed as the new executive director of RBI. Moving on to the next question. Second question is, the Bharat Biotech has promised to raise monthly vaccine production to how much by August 2021? So the answer is option B, 7.8 crore. Bharat Biotech, the manufacturer of Covaxin, has promised to raise its monthly vaccine production to 7.8 crore doses by August 2021. Moving on to the next question. Third question is, who has become the first person from India to win the prestigious Sheikh Zayed Book Award? So the answer is option D, Tahira Kutbuddin. So Tahira Kutbuddin has become the first person from India to win the prestigious Sheikh Zayed Book Award. Then moving on to the next question. Fourth question is, which nation will be the world's fast-growing major economy in 2022 as per the UN? So the answer is option A, India. According to the United Nations, India will be the world's fastest growing major economy in 2022. Moving on to the next question. Fifth question is, India carried out a military drill with which country in the southern Arabian Sea with a focus on further improving their interoperability? The answer is option D, Indonesia. The navies of India and Indonesia carried out a military drill in the southern Arabian Sea with a focus on further improving their interoperability. Then moving on to the next question. Sixth question is, which bank has acquired a 10% stake in CSC Grameen e-Stores? The answer is option B, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has acquired a 10% stake in CSC Grameen e-Store, a special purpose vehicle run by the Ministry of Economics and Information Technology, for an undisclosed amount. Moving on to the next question. Seventh question is, which nation will become the most populated country by 2027 as per a UN report? So the answer is option C, India. India may cross China as the world's most populous country by 2027, forecast a UN report published in 2019 said. So then moving on to the next question. Eighth question is, which bank announced the launch of the I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India? So the answer is option A, Jana Small Finance Bank. Jana Small Finance Bank has announced the launch of I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India. Moving on to the next question. Ninth question is, the Serum Institute has promised to raise monthly vaccine production to how much by August 2021? So the answer is option C, 10 crore. Serum Institute of India, manufacturer of the Covishield vaccine, has stated that it will raise the monthly production of its vaccine to 10 crore doses by August 2021. Moving on to the next question. Tenth question is, who has been appointed the new CMD of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited? So the answer is option C, Arun Kumar Singh. PASB has picked Arun Kumar Singh as the chairman and managing director of state-run oil refining and marketing firm Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Moving on to the next question. 11th question is, which organization has developed 3 cost-effective ventilators, oxygen concentrators named Prana, Vayu and Savasta? So the answer is option C, ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, which is also known as VSSC in Thiruvananthapuram, has developed 3 different types of ventilators and then oxygen concentrators. So then moving on to the next question. Twelfth question is, who is the author of the book Life in the Clock Tower Valley? So the answer is option B, Shakur Rathar. So Shakur Rathar is the author of the book Life in the Clock Tower Valley. Then moving on to the next question. Thirteenth question is, how much amount has been pledged by drug major AstraZeneca in humanitarian aid to India to support relief activities amid the second wave of COVID-19? So the answer is option A, $250,000. Drug major AstraZeneca said it has pledged $250,000 in humanitarian aid to India to support relief activities amid the second wave of COVID-19 sweeping across the country. Then moving on to the next question. 14th question is, Indranil Pan has appointed as the chief economist of which bank? So the answer is option B, Yes Bank. Yes Bank has appointed Indranil Pan as its chief economist. Pan joins the bank from rival IDFC First Bank. So then moving on to the next question. Fifteenth question is, which bank has entered into a strategic tie-up with UAE-based Mashreq Bank to facilitate money transfer from the UAE? So the answer is option D, Federal Bank. So Federal Bank has entered into a strategic tie-up with UAE-based Mashreq Bank to facilitate money transfer from the UAE. Then moving on to the next question. Sixteenth question is, how much amount was donated by Twitter to help address the COVID-19 crisis in India? So the answer is option A, USD 15 million. Microblogging giant Twitter has donated USD 15 million to help address the COVID-19 crisis in India, which is battling the unprecedented second wave of the deadly pandemic. Moving on to the next question. Seventeenth question is, which state Mayon Ka Bara railway station has renamed to Magesh Nagar railway station? So the answer is option D, Rajasthan. Name of Mayon Ka Bara railway station in Rajasthan, which is in Jodhpur, has been changed to Magesh Nagar after getting an approval from various departments. Moving on to the next question. 18th question is, which team's wicketkeeper batsman BJ Walting has announced he would be retiring from international cricket after World Test Championships? The answer is option B, New Zealand. New Zealand wicketkeeper batsman BJ Walting has announced he would be retiring from international cricket after the 3 tests, including the World Test Championship final against India on their upcoming England tour. Moving on to the next question. Nineteenth question is, which company has announced the launch of COVID-19 vaccine finders? The answer is option D, Paytm. Paytm has announced the launch of COVID-19 vaccine finder, an integrated platform to help citizens check the availability of vaccine slots on its mini app store. Moving on to the next question. 20th question is, which state has undertaken monkey census as a part of wild census? So the answer is option B, Haryana. So the Wildlife Institution of India recently launched a monkey census in Haryana as a part of Wildlife Census of Haryana 2021. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me Harini signing off.